If you're looking for a free alternative to YNAB in 2026, two names always come up: Actual Budget and Firefly 3, because honestly, they are both powerful open-source tools, but they are not the same kind of system. So in this video, we're going to break down the truth about Actual Budget versus Firefly 3 and which one actually fits your needs. First, what is Actual Budget? Actual Budget is a YNAB-style budgeting app. It uses the envelope system, which means every dollar has a job. You plan your spending by categories like rent, food, savings, entertainment. And honestly, this is why so many YNAB users switch to it. Because the logic feels almost identical. Now let's talk about Firefly. It is different. It is more of a full financial tracking system, not just a budgeting tool. It focuses on transactions, accounts reports, and double-entry bookkeeping. So instead of focusing only on budgeting, it focuses on your entire financial history. Now the first big difference: budgeting style Actual Budget uses .envelope. Budgeting zero-based planning, YNAB-like structure. Firefly 3 uses accounting-style tracking, income versus expenses reporting, detailed financial logs. And honestly, this is the main reason people choose one over the other. Now, second big difference: ease of use. Actual Budget is much easier for beginners because it feels simple. And modern Firefly 3 is more complex because it is closer to accounting software. And honestly, many users say Firefly takes longer to learn. Now, third difference: setup and maintenance. Both are self-hosted, but Firefly 3 often requires more configuration, especially if you want advanced features like rules or integrations. Actual Budget is usually faster to set up, especially for people who just want budgeting. Now let's talk about who Actual Budget is for. It is best for people who want a simple YNAB alternative like envelope budgeting, want fast daily budgeting, prefer a clean interface. Now, Firefly 3 is better for people who want full financial tracking, manage multiple accounts, need detailed reports like accounting-style systems. Now something very important: both tools are free, but self-hosted, which means you are responsible for installation updates and backups. And honestly, that is something many beginners underestimate. Now let's talk about community feedback, because many users say Actual Budget feels more intuitive, while Firefly 3 feels more powerful but heavier, and honestly, that matches most real-world usage. Now let's be honest for a second. These tools don't compete directly. They solve different problems. Actual Budget, satelliter, budgeting simplicity. Firefly 3, sanit, financial tracking depth. So to wrap this up, if you want a YNAB alternative in 2026, choose Actual Budget. If you want simple envelope budgeting, choose Firefly 3. If you want advanced financial tracking and reporting, because honestly, the best tool depends on whether you want to budget your money or analyze your entire financial life.